Did you know that our Milky Way galaxy is a cannibal? Yes, you heard it right. Our home galaxy has quite the appetite, and its favorite meal is other galaxies. This phenomenon is known as galactic cannibalism. It's not as gruesome as it sounds, but it's equally astonishing. It occurs when a larger galaxy, through the force of its gravitational pull, absorbs smaller, less massive galaxies. Over billions of years, these smaller galaxies are torn apart and eventually become a part of the larger galaxy. And guess what? Our Milky Way is currently in the process of devouring the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. This might sound like a violent process, but it's actually quite slow and takes place over millions of years. So, we don't need to worry about waking up one day to find ourselves in a different galaxy. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, our galaxy is a cosmic predator. In space, no one can hear you scream. This might sound like a line straight out of a sci-fi horror flick, but it's actually a solid scientific fact. Sound needs a medium, like air, to travel through, and space is a vacuum, almost entirely devoid of air or atmosphere. So, when you're out there among the stars and galaxies, there's no air to carry your voice, your laughter, or even your pleas for help. In the vacuum of space, silence is truly golden. Planets without a home, wandering the cosmos, sound like a sci-fi movie. It's actually a reality. Let's delve into the eerie world of rogue planets. These celestial bodies are essentially cosmic wanderers, planets that don't orbit any star. They roam the universe, seemingly lost in the vast cosmic wilderness. So how does a planet become rogue? Well, most likely, they were once like Earth, circling a star. But through some violent event, perhaps a catastrophic collision, they were flung out of their original solar system, set adrift in the cold, dark void of space. Imagine a world with no sun, no light, no warmth, an eternal night reigning over a frozen landscape. These rogue planets are not just figments of our imagination, they are out there, drifting. They are a chilling testament to the unpredictable, untamed nature of our universe. These lonely wanderers of the cosmos remind us that space is full of surprises. Here's a fact that might make your skin crawl. Imagine floating in the vastness of space and your dead skin starts peeling off. This isn't a horror movie plot. It's an astronaut's reality. In the absence of gravity, the human body sheds its dead skin differently. Instead of falling and blending with the dust on Earth, in space, it floats around. So while space travel might sound glamorous, it definitely has its shedding moments. Our Earth might feel big, but in the grand scheme of the universe, we're just a speck of dust. Now, let's talk about something really big, the biggest known planet in the universe, WASP-17b. It's a gas giant, much like Jupiter, but the comparison ends there. WASP-17b is twice the size of Jupiter. Yes, you heard it right, twice the size. This enormous exoplanet orbits a sun-like star in the Scorpius constellation, around 1,000 light-years away from us. It's also quite a lightweight for its size, which makes it puffier. Imagine a celestial balloon, if you will. Now, here's a fun fact. WASP-17b orbits in a retrograde direction, meaning it moves in the opposite direction to the spin of its star. This is quite unusual in the cosmos and adds another layer of intrigue to this massive planet. So, next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, when it comes to the universe, size truly does matter. Are you enjoying this cosmic journey? If you're finding these facts about space as intriguing and terrifying as we do, remember to hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the universe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. We'd love to hear from you too, so feel free to drop a comment below and share your thoughts on these fascinating space facts. Now, let's dive back into the terrifying depths of space. Space is the final frontier and potentially the final resting place. As we delve into the abyss of the cosmos, it's impossible to ignore one eerie possibility: floating space corpses. Yes, you heard it right. It's a grim reality that some astronauts have been tragically lost during space missions. Imagine the vast, infinite expanse of space where silence reigns supreme. Now picture a lone figure lost in the void, forever drifting. This image might seem like a scene plucked straight from a science fiction novel, but it's a potential reality. These brave explorers, venturing into the unknown, risk their lives every time they strap themselves into a rocket. It's a perilous journey, and for some, it has been a one-way ticket. These lost astronauts are forever etched in our memories, heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. Space may be beautiful, but it's also a reminder of the risks astronauts take every time they leave our planet. You've heard of black holes, but what about white holes? Picture a cosmic mirror image to the devouring black hole, an astronomical entity that spews out matter and light rather than swallowing them. This is the theoretical concept of white holes. Unlike their black counterparts which pull everything into a point of no return, white holes are cosmic one-way streets. They're celestial escape artists, allowing matter and light to spring forth, but never to enter. Imagine a cosmic geyser, ejecting streams of energy and matter into the universe, a spectacle of cosmic proportions. Theoretically, they could be birthplaces of new universes or even time-reversed black holes. But here's the catch. Despite all the fascinating theories, we've yet to discover a definite white hole. They remain a tantalizing enigma, a puzzle piece in the grand cosmic jigsaw that we're yet to place. While we're still not sure if white holes exist, they certainly add an intriguing twist to our understanding of the cosmos. The Big Bang might have been the beginning, but have you ever wondered about the end? A concept that's as mind-bending as it is awe-inspiring, the Big Crunch theory proposes a potential finale to the cosmic ballet of the universe. Just as the Big Bang caused a rapid expansion of the universe, the Big Crunch suggests that the universe might eventually stop its outward sprint. Instead, it could begin to contract, drawn back by the gravitational pull of the very matter it created. Imagine a universal U-turn, the cosmos collapsing inward, galaxies merging in a chaotic dance, stars, planets, all celestial bodies hurtling towards an inevitable singularity, a reverse Big Bang. But don't let this theory keep you up at night. It's just one of many possibilities in the realm of cosmology. And remember, the universe has been around for billions of years. It isn't going anywhere anytime soon. While the Big Crunch is only a theory, it's a chilling reminder of the potential fate of our universe. Imagine a force so strong, it's pulling entire galaxies towards it. That's the dark flow for you, a cosmic mystery that continues to baffle scientists. Dark flow isn't a force we can see or measure directly, but we can observe its gravitational effects on galaxies. These celestial bodies are not just moving apart due to the expansion of the universe, but they're also seemingly being tugged towards a specific point outside our visible universe. What could possibly possess such immense gravitational pull? Some theories suggest a supermassive structure or even a different universe altogether. But the truth is, no one really knows for sure. The dark flow is one of those enigmatic phenomena that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. It's a reminder of how little we truly know and how much is yet to be discovered. The dark flow is yet another reminder of the many mysteries that space holds. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we'll hopefully unravel more about this peculiar cosmic flow and the secrets it's hiding. A shooting star might be beautiful, but what about a meteor that's headed straight for Earth? Just imagine an unexpected meteor streaking across the sky, a brilliant flash of light followed by a catastrophic impact. It's not just the stuff of science fiction, but a real possibility. Unexpected meteors are cosmic nomads, wandering through the vast expanse of space until they cross paths with Earth. These meteors, often remnants of ancient celestial bodies, can cause significant damage if they crash into our planet. The impact could lead to massive explosions, triggering wildfires, tsunamis, or even a new ice age. Remember the dinosaurs? Their extinction is widely believed to have been caused by a meteor impact. A similar event today could devastate our modern world, wiping out entire cities or even whole countries. While the chances of a catastrophic meteor impact are low, they're not zero. Another reminder that space is as terrifying as it is fascinating. Black holes are scary enough, but what about ones that are on the move? Let's delve into the terrifying concept of rogue black holes. Unlike their stationary counterparts, these cosmic phenomena are wandering vagabonds in the vast universe. Their journeys are not aimless. Carried by gravitational waves caused by the collision of two black holes, these rogue black holes travel across galaxies at incredible speeds. Now, imagine a body with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape it, moving freely around the cosmos. The sheer scale of destruction they could cause is unimaginable. If a rogue black hole passed through a star system, it could disrupt planets' orbits or even swallow celestial bodies whole. Their unpredictability combined with their destructive potential makes rogue black holes a truly terrifying aspect of our universe. Rogue black holes remind us that the universe is not only vast and mysterious, but also incredibly powerful and potentially destructive.